Hello and welcome to the channel. Yesterday at the Election Petition Tribunal sitting in Abuja, the five-panel justices admitted evidence showing the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) had not experienced any technical issues while conducting the February 25th presidential election. Not only me, be that evidence not correct. We go hear more in details. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you. Tribunal. Court admits evidence showing INEC server had no network issues. The Presidential Election Petitions Court has reportedly admitted evidence indicating that the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) had no glitches in uploading election results of the last general election. The evidence was contained in a report from a subpoenaed witness who identified as an employee of Amazon Web Services Incorporated, USA. According to the witness, the report reveals the health status of the cloud services offered to the Electoral Commission during the electioneering period. The report specifically provides details on the health status of the Amazon web server that provided cloud services for INEC's digital backbone for the presidential election. According to Daily Sun, a snippet of the report contents revealed that there was no glitch that could have affected the e-transmission of results on February 25, 2023, when the presidential election held. A snippet of the report content revealed that there was no glitch that could have affected the e-transmission of results on February 25, 2023, when the presidential election held. The report was tendered through a witness subpoenaed by the Labour Party by name Claretta Oga, whose identity was submitted as cloud engineer and architect. The document, totaling 6 copies, were admitted by the court amid objections by INEC, Tinubu, Shettima, and the APC. Meanwhile, in related news, a group under the auspices of the Association of Ebonyi Indigenous Socio-Cultural in the Diaspora has reacted to recent comments credited to the husband of the former president of the Court of Appeal, Adamu Mohammed Bulkashua, enjoining Nigerians with discerning minds not to take such statements with a pinch of salt. Recall that Senator Bulkashua had, during a valedictory session for the 9th Senate, revealed that he had reasons to intervene for his friends and colleagues while his wife, Justice Zainab Bulkashua, served as the president of Nigeria's Court of Appeal. But in a statement circulated by Ambassador Pascal Olushukwu, the group's president said that the National Judicial Commission (NJC), the body vested with the powers to appoint and discipline erring judicial staff under the Nigerian legal system, should probe Bulkashua's comments. The group, however, drew reference to a pending election case in the tribunal, saying the news which broke out on the 26th of April 2023 that the President of the Court of Appeal, Our Lordship, Justice Monica Dongban Mensah, has ordered the immediate relocation of both the National Assembly and Governorship and State House of Assembly Elections Petitions Tribunals to Abuja from Abakaliki, where cases were initially billed to be tried and determined, was a huge relief. Though the court never made its reasons public, Olushukwu said the fact remains that Ebonyi has been in the news not only for insecurity, but more particularly for the way and manner the immediate past governor of the state, Engineer David Umahi, operated and treated the judicial arm of government in the state and in the country at large. We recall that the first time arguably in the history of the judiciary when a court was sacked following a coordinated attack by political thugs, and both men of the bar and the bench in Ebonyi had to take to their heels by scaling the fence, was around early December 2014. The then ruling People's Democratic Party (PDP) had planned to hold its primary election to elect a flag bearer for the ruling PDP in the state for the 2015 governorship election on the 6th of December 2014. This group further recalls that the battle for the Ebonyi PDP's governorship ticket had raged between LSC's anointed candidate and then Minister of Health, Professor Onyembuchi Shukwu, and LSC's deputy, whose relationship with his boss had gone south following his preference for the former to succeed him, over and above his initially touted choice of Umahi. Subscribe, like, share, comment, and please turn the notification bell on. Thank you. The media investigations had uncovered and consequently reported that as soon as the power-desperate Umahi learned that a senior advocate of Nigeria hired by the then-ruling PDP in Ebonyi from Kogi State to secure an injunction stopping the primaries, he allegedly unleashed an army of political thugs armed with guns, machetes, and other dangerous weapons to the state's high court premises adjacent the old Ebonyi government house. The sporadic gunshots that rented the air dispersed the entire judiciary, and everyone took to his or her heels. The fears caused by the pandemonium orchestrated by the activities of the said hoodlums, which the then LHC government had vowed to probe, but failed, are still fresh in the minds of Ebonians. The group reminisces further that at the larger national scene, Justice Inyang Ekwo of the Abuja Federal High Court had come under intense criticism from Umahi following his March 2022 sacking of Umahi as governor as a result of his defection from the PDP to the APC in November 2020. An emotional Umahi who couldn't hide his feelings literally dragged the judiciary into the mud, insisting the judgment was purchased by its traducers. We enjoined the Nigerian judiciary in particular and the Ebonyi election petitions tribunals that they should therefore know that they are actually on trial in this period of our nation's history. Unlike American diplomats, Benjamin Franklin rightly noted, justice will not be served until those who are unaffected are as outraged as those who are. Hence this timely caution. The ball is now on the court of their lordships to either make history or mar themselves and their reputations, the group noted. Meanwhile, a coalition of civil society organizations, Nigerian Youth Network for Good Governance and Sustainable Democracy, has urged political actors in the 2023 general elections to allow the Presidential Election Petition Tribunal to perform its statutory role. This call was contained in a statement by Constantine Ikechukwu, chairman of the Board of Trustees of the group in Abuja. That's the news, guys. Thanks for listening. Until next time, bye.